Chuck, Cooper. Yeah, Daddy had to pay just then, eh? Hey you, Mister Cooper. Hello?
I'm not asleep.
You're not asleep?
I'm asleep. I'm keeping my eyes open.
Okay, are you tired? A little bit, eh? Casey, are you tired? Hey?
Yeah, but I had to go faster.
Do you?
Yeah. Hey, perfect! Look at it! Look, perfect! Thank you.
Yeah.
Push the button then.
Not yet. Cooper, go over by brother so Daddy can get a picture.
No.
Please?
No. Don't push the button.
No, don't push the button. Don't be stupid. How old are you?
Yeah.
3.
Lady Bear.
Okay. How old are you? 2.
3.
Sit down properly, please. Sit down, Chase.
I see Lady Bear. No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Look at Lady Bear.
No, sit down, Chase. Chase, sit down. Yeah, well, you can't stand up. Don't. Oh well, just have a cry. Yeah, I know. Leave him alone, though. Oh, don't mess up your hair. Don't mess up your hair. Look, your hair's getting messy.
Daddy, I flew away because I had one side.
Yep.
Oh, what did I do?
Oh, I'm sorry. You get one in the pool. Get one in the pool at home. Look at Daddy. Get one at home in the pool, okay?
Well,
Just look at your hair.
well, what one of them?
Just look at your hair.
He didn't feel away. I'm not leaving one. See, there he is.
Just look at your hair.